Have you ever heard the Petards explosion in volumetric space? Let's enjoy the Petards sound inside of a concrete tube together in the tunnel and in the abandoned school gym. Let's start from Circle Blitz. It's the rocket model. Unpacking. What's in there? They are so good, so fat. Light it up and throw it away. Be very careful with Blitz, okay? Throw it, come on! It's going to be fun! Just look at the smoke! What do you say? Did you like it? Oh my god, that was weird! Did you like this song? The song was just wonderful. Look at that dark cloud. We also want to explode the festival bomb inside of this tube. We're gonna put it right in the corner, right here. So much echo here. Just cheeky-breaky. Let's just light it up. It is burning fast, let's run. It's a festival ball. Here we go. This sound is just amazing. Echo here is vibrating so hard. The snow is torn apart. There's so much smoke, just look there. Nothing seen here. That is a death fog. It's almost impossible to breathe here. That's it, I can't go farther. Let's go back. It's such an adventure to walk through the nature path, you know? And searching for some tunnels and explore some petards there. We have almost found the tunnel. Almost there. Is that the tunnel? Yeah. This tunnel seemed bigger for me in my childhood. I've been there very long ago. We did some crazy stuff here. This tunnel is under the abandoned highway. It's very distant. Let's go Blitz at once. 2 at once. They burn. 1 for each tunnel. Ouch! Oh my gosh! That was a hell of a sound. That was very volumetric. And so much smoke here. It's going to be hot now. This one is likely the most powerful one. It's the festival bomb.
Made in China, festival balls.
How do you like my English? Right? Throw it, come on! That's going to be something. Just hold on. Now sit back, relax and enjoy. Oh my gosh! That really was something. I saw a spark in front of me. Yeah, something was burning here. Show me. There it is. It's the center. It exploded there and flew right here. And the second time. That's an abandoned school. That is a very mysterious place. So let's get to the basement and boom. That looks exactly like Chernobyl. Yeah, it's just the same. Very alike Pripyat. Where is the basement? Holy moly, there's no basement at all. Oh my gosh. Holy moly. I feel like some hole has been there. What's the radiation rate here? That's the pathway to the shop. Oh my, that was the canteen, am I right? There stood the stoves, and there was some yummy prepared. Welcome to the children garden. We serve here porridge with porridge bowls. We haven't found any bunker or shelter in this school, unfortunately. There is no even basement. But anyway, we'll explode something right here. How do you call it? Bumblebee? Yeah, you're right. Is it gonna fly or something? Maybe so, but it will spill on the ground mostly. Let's see that and enjoy the echo in this room. In the abandoned school. Let's get out. I thought that was over. This sound was very weird. I thought it was going to be less loud. Right in this corridor, we will blow up a P2000, and that is going to be really hard. P2000 isn't a trifle, it will be loud. So we have to run fast from here. Mommy! That was really awesome. That was the power. Hey guys, I learned my lesson. Don't ever explode anything indoors, please. That was hell. I felt the explosion wave inside of me. I felt it with my body. Okay, that's it. Let's go. That was tough. I think people in 1 kilometer range heard us very well. That is my childhood dream. In my hands, there are 20 of P2000, tied together in one unit. So I light it up here, and the whole unit will explode hard. And we're going to explode it in this abandoned station. Nearby the abandoned railway, right here. That's a miracle. I'm really afraid to do this, you know? I'm just running away. That's high time, you know? Screw that, I'm running away. Meanwhile, I was filming that from 220 meters distance. It's gonna explode. That was the apocalypse. Very loud. Look how much smoke there is. Bloody hell. And now, what explosion did you like the most? In the concrete tube? In the tunnel? In the abandoned school? Sewage? Station? We've launched lots of petards and now we are going to make an awesomely powerful crazy tough snowbike. Don't miss it. It's really fast.